for. Because anybody who knows anything about me knows who I fucking root for. And it's not those douchebag Patriots. Fuck them. It's not the fucking Chiefs or any of our bullshit fucking teams. My team is the fucking Denver Broncos. That's not a cheap pop. Those are the facts, and I know you know it. Somebody just threw a fucking Broncos hat up here. If you want it back, I'll give it to you. But you got the pride from my dead hands. Don't take it, it's his, not mine. Give it back to the dude. So, anyway, I just want to say congratulations, fucking world champion Denver! Now back to the fucking death metal. I had my fun. It was great. Oh look, you're gonna give it back to me. I'm not giving it back to you now, it's mine. Mine! Not that I don't have 500 of them at home, because I probably do. So, we have a new album that's out. Actually, it's been out for a while, so technically it's not brand new. But we're gonna play some of those songs just for you. Yeah. World champion sounds so great, doesn't it? Alright then, it's time to fire up the fucking chainsaw. Kill or be cool.